Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.1. 12th question. Among 28 professors of a certain department, 18 drive foreign cars and 10 drive local made cars. If 5 of these professors are selected at random, what is the probability that at least 3 of them drive foreign cars? Okay, so 28 professors are in a certain department, they are just taking into account. Okay, so the number of professors in a department is equal to 28 professors. Okay, so on that 18 drive foreign cars it is given. Therefore, probability that the professors driving foreign cars is equal to P, that is equal to 18 of them in 28 they drive foreign cars. Okay, so 18 by 28. Can cancel this 18 and 28, you will get 9, and here it is 14 times, so which is equal to 9 by 14. So the next one is they have given here 10 drive local made cars. Okay, so we can declare a Q is equal to, that is your local made cars, that is equal to here 10 out of again 28. So you can cancel this and this, so we'll get it as here 5 times, here 14 times, so we'll get 5 by 14. So like this also you can do, otherwise Q is equal to 1 minus P. Using the formula also you get your answer. Okay. Next, number of professors selected is equal to, how many professors are selected is only 5 professors are taken in at random. Okay, so number of professors selected is equal to, we'll just declare as n, that is equal to 5. Now what they are asking is, what is the probability that at least 3 of them drive foreign cars? Therefore, probability of at least 3 of them drive foreign cars is equal to P of at least 3 are they asking. Okay, so from 3 and above you can have it. So that is P of X is greater than or equal to 3. So 3 and above you can have it. Okay, so we'll just split up like this. P of X is equal to 3 plus P of X is equal to 4 plus P of X is equal to 5, because n is here 5 only, so up to 5 you can go. Okay. Binomial distribution your formula is P of X is equal to X, that is equal to NCX P power X Q power n minus X. So you'll have to use this formula now here. Okay, so which is equal to, just start here, X is equal to 3. Okay, all the other values will be here. P is here, Q is here, and N is here. And when your X value will become 3 here. So just substitute it here. So N is 5. Okay, so 5C3, P power X. So P is 9 by 14. So 9 by 14 power X is 3. Again Q power n minus X. So Q is 5 by 14 power n minus X. Okay, so n is 5 minus your X is 3. Plus for your second term you have to substitute. Now your X will become 4. All the other values are same. Okay, so NCX is again 5C4 P power X. Okay, P is 9 by 14 power X is your 4. Again Q power n minus X is. So Q is 5 by 14 power n minus x. N is 5 minus x is this 4. Plus going to your third term of x is equal to 5. So in the place of x you have to put 5. Okay, so now n is also 5 and so 5c5. P is 9 by 14. Power x is 5. Again q is 5 by 14. Power n minus x. So 5 minus 5. So now we'll go for solving. Equal to 5c3, the expansion will be 5 into 4 into 3, that is up to 3 numbers down, divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 9 cube divided by 14 cube into, this is 5 power 5 minus 3 will become square divided by again 14 power 2, otherwise 14 square, plus 5c4, we just go for the expansion. So 5 into 4 numbers down. Okay, so 4 into 3 into 2 divided by this 4, starting from 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Again here 9 power 4 divided by 14 power 4. Take it inside. Okay, so into, this is 5 power 5 minus 4 will become 1 divided by again 14 power 1. Plus, we know the formula NCN is equal to 1. So we have got here 5C5. So that will become 1 into 9 power 5 divided by 14 power 5. And here it is 5 power, this is 0. Okay, 5 minus 5 will become 0. So 5 power 0 divided by 14 power 0. So your next step is, just cancel this, 3 and 3 will go. 2 and 4 you get twice. So 5 2s are 10. 9 power 3 into 5 square. Just see the denominator, it is 14 common. Okay, so you can add the powers. So 14 power 5 you will get. Plus, cancel 4 and 4 will go. 3 and 3 will go. 2 and 2 will go. So left out will be 5. Same way again here 9 power 4 into 5 power 1, so I just write it as 5 divided by 14 power 4, again 14 power 1. So I can add the powers, you get it as 14 power 5. Your next one is plus 1 only, so I'll just remove it. So you'll have your 9 power 5 into 5 power 0, anything to the power 0 it will become 1 divided by, this is 14 power 5. And here it is 14 power 0, again anything to the power 0 to become 1. Okay, so into 1. So now you can see the denominator everywhere 14 power 5 will be common. Okay, so just remove that 1 divided by 14 power 5 common out. So the left out term you just write it inside. Okay, so here 10 into 9 cube into 5 square. So you'll have 10 into 9 cube, you'll get it as 729 into 5 square will become 25. Plus, so we have got 5 into 9 power 4 into 5. So 5 into 9 power 4 is 6561 into this 5 as it is. Plus, the last term is only 9 power 5 is there. So your answer will be 59049. You can use your calcium multiply it. Okay, so it is equal to 1 divided by 14 power 5. So 14 5 times you have to multiply. Your answer will be 53784 into this 10 into 729 into 25. Your answer will be 182250 plus 5 into 6561 into 5. The answer will be 164025 plus this number as it is 59049. Now adding all these three numbers, you will get your answer as 405324 divided by this number as it is 537824. So if you divide it, you will get your answer 0.7536. So this is your final answer. Therefore, this is the answer for your 12th question.